Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got a 2014 Pete 389 factory built glider kit to show you today. It's built with a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed, 730,000 miles on it. I've got it hot. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you blow by, frame rails, tires, brakes, finish up on the inside with oil pressure as well. Let's go ahead and get started. New steers, new drives. This one, as you can see, does have that oil leak in that front corner. Many of your 12.7 Detroits do have. This is a Southern truck, one owner. So there's no heavy pitting, no rust on it. The body looks really good, tank, steps. All aluminum wheels. New brakes as well. This is a little bit older truck, but the only real paint blemishes I see right here on this exhaust clamp there. Pretty common for that paint to feel. I'm assuming from the heat. It's got to be over the years. And then you have some minor scratching on the top of the fenders there. Everything looks pretty straight though. Interior's nice and clean. Is a one owner with maintenance records, and it was overhauled 400,000 ago, so nothing fresh on it. Still runs good, blow by is moderate. Your oil pressure is fantastic. It's at operating temp. Got great low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs. And your oil pressure climbs just like it's supposed to. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.